rain falls softly on the empty street tonight, like quiet memories fading out of sight. Your laughter used to live inside this place. Now only echoes gently fill the space. I walk the roads where we once used to go, past little cafes glowing warm and slow. Every corner whispers of your name, but nothing here will ever feel the same. Somewhere between the clouds and sky, I hear the words we left behind, and the rain keeps falling like it knows our story. Every drop a piece of you and me. In the silence I still hear your heartbeat, hidden in the rhythm of the street. Though the seasons slowly change their view, the rain still carries traces of you. The window glass remembers how you smiled, reflections of a love so warm and wild. I try to leave the past along the way, but some goodbyes are harder to escape. The sky grows darker